Hi guys, welcome back to Sunny Vlogs. It's me, Sunny. So for today's video, I will be doing a makeup tutorial using the Maybelline products. And I know guys, it's very simple din na makeup tutorial. And please guys, watch the video till the end because there's a big surprise awaits. So guys, I already did my eyebrows because I no longer use Maybelline products, brow products nila cause walang nibalin lang ko guys. So start na ta guys. So guys, starting off, I will use Maybelline Superstay full coverage under eye concealer. And by the way guys, this is a no foundation makeup tutorial. So as you all know, I am using a L'Oreal Infallible foundation, a fresh wear foundation. So I will be using only the Maybelline concealer. But guys, long before I used Maybelline foundation, but then I switched to L'Oreal. So I think sister company man naman sila guys, diba? So I'm in the shade Sand or Sand 20. Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte, yung lip tint nila in the shade Nude Shot. Next is, since I don't eyeshadow na para guys, so I will be using the Maybelline Total Temptation shadow plus highlight palette. So simple lang siya guys, no? So next is the eyeliner. I will be using the Maybelline Hyper Ink Liquid Liner. So next is the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. Then for my bronzer, I will be using from the Shadow and Highlight Plus Highlight palette, the brown shade. Okay, so for the highlight. So for my lips, I will be using the Maybelline's lip liner, shaping lip liner in a shade 115 or Totally Toffee. So for my lips, I will be using Superstay Matte Ink Coffee Edition in the shade Caramel Collector. So for the final touches, it's the Maybelline Master Fix by Face Studio. I will finish my look and I will be back. So guys, this is my final look. So I will be giving these products from Maybelline. I just want to thank my beloved subscribers for supporting me. So guys, here's the mechanics. First, like and share this video. Second is subscribe on my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Third, follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page. And lastly, comment down below your Instagram account and location. This raffle is exclusively in the Philippines. So guys, please make sure to follow the mechanics because we will be checking it. One winner will be announced on December 26, 2020 at 6 p.m. on my Instagram and Facebook page. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And see you soon on my next vlog. Bye! Merry Christmas, guys!
Bye!
Bye! Bye! Bye!
Bye!